Everyone, welcome to Umkosi Nomaka Jane. I am Umaka Jane. Umkosi ithanda ngihlale bazala bami zithi it's about Isencane Lengane star, which is Siyacela. We started seeing Siyacela on our TV screens when he was 16 years old, and life story yakhe nonkosikazi wakhe, which is uThando. It was very interesting at the beginning, because everyone they got happy. Everyone wanted to see these kids. They wanna get married. They are both virgins. They've never seen or met anyone like first love, first marriage, first everything. And Siyacela seemed like a very cool and decent boy, because that age began at 16. And he also came across to me as if umntana ohloniphayo, because bekasonta bekayazi nento ayifunayo. But as they always say, when you are young you think you know what you want, can't you don't. But recently issue yabo is Isencane Lengane. Guys, Siyacela has become a monster, because we've seen on the reality TV show on 157 that usakahlukumeza uThando physically and emotionally. Sakadelela wonke umuntu, even before baba kudlamuka adlule emhlabeni, Siyacela bekakhuluma nodlamuka the way yena afila ngathi ku right. Makabona ngathi lempendulo right bekayinika udlamuka. But again, now everyone or me, I will think that if umuntu avela ku TV unemali, or everyone, let me just say everyone, a lot of people think if uvela ku TV unemali, if uvela maybe une show yenza unemali, or even radio DJs we think banemali, because these are celebrities, these are people esibabone kuma TV screens with. But again, there's a screenshot, yes, Tommy, or there's a picture Siyacela that is trending now where Amegu line, and people are saying he line number 350. I mean, there's no South African who has 350. But if it's someone we are not in South Africa, there's a money amount every month, which is 350. People that they are not working. If you are not working, it's only 350. I don't know whether we have Ingane or not, as long as we are not working or we are not registered anywhere, because I know of people that they are saying, Mina, it's UIF registered, some of them that are saying alternate some source of income, those maybe une money engena into your bank account. So that means umuntu othola 350 umuntu onganamali engenayo bank account yakhe, or that is working, that is not working. Akunala register record that person. So Siyacela masisombona me eline in 350. Guys, a lot of people bayathuka, mara I like to believe that this is not true. Mhlambe bekayizibhejela ulotho, because I know where I live eShoprite kunokuthi bahlanganisela ine 350 nabantu abazobheja ulotho or nabantu be-DS. So maybe bekazozibhadela i-DStv yakhe azokwazi ukuzibukela, or bakazozibhejela ulotho. But a lot of people they are saying that line at 350, that means Siyacela uthola u350. I don't know why it's Thusa, or is it because uvela ku TV? I don't know. But yeah, bazala bami ziso indaba zithi Siyacela uthola u350, and we all know ukuthi uhlala ugcoka ama shorts namaphaca, so ugcoka ophaca bakhe ne shorts yakhe, waiting for that line, long line. Ungazi ukuthi wayengayenzi ukuthi ingene ebank. But as ubaba bakhe bekahlala asho ukuthi is the only thing ayaziyo ukuhlukumeza unkosikazi wakhe. Yeah, bazala bami ziso, that is all for today. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.